Ever wished you could save your favorite Netflix movies on your hard drive? Whether you're an editor needing a backup or just tired of clearing space for new binge-watching sessions, we feel you. This tutorial is intended for you if you ever find yourself stuck in any of these similar situations. You need a pro to help out. MovPilot Netflix Video Downloader effortlessly bypasses download limits. You can download videos in top quality, convert them to MP4. Let's see how it works. Download MovPilot Netflix Video Downloader first. It can rip the DRM protection on Netflix videos easily and safely. Then launch MovPilot Netflix Video Downloader and log into Netflix with your account. You can enter the video name in the search bar, or simply copy and paste the video link into the search bar. MovPilot Netflix Video Downloader maintains the original audio tracks and subtitles. If you want to customize the output quality, format, and more, go to Settings. Then batch download videos at 5x faster speed. Simply hit download. You can enjoy them in seconds. Now we come to the final step. Connect your hard drive to the computer and move the downloaded content into it. Speedy, safe, stable, no more limitations. Come on and have a try.